Hi everybody, Whitney with Girl Friday Crafts here. This is going to be super quick. I was talking with a friend the other day and we were talking about using die cut machines, and she's never used one, and I was trying to explain how it worked. And as I am prepping a card sample for a make and take in May, I am using my die cut machine, and so I thought I would try to record me using it, because I thought, well, if she has trouble visualizing how it works, other people probably do too. So you have your machine and you have these plates and you have your die and your paper. The die goes on one plate, the paper goes on top of it, and I'm intentionally not covering the whole area of the die with the paper. I'm only trying to get a little bit of it, and I'm trying to keep it straight here. And then you put it on the machine. Oh, wait, I gotta put it on my little board here. Comes with this little board. Sizzix comes with this little board. You put your plates on the board. You're gonna push it through until it won't go anymore. And then you turn with the roller. And you're gonna feel like you're gonna break something. And sometimes you hear things that sound like they're cracking. But I promise you it's okay. And it's gonna roll all the way through. And then you pull it out. And, well, that probably didn't do what I wanted it to do. Probably because I didn't have a full sheet of paper covering it. But then you pop the paper off of your die, and you've got this. And then you have all the little inside pieces. Some of it broke off the bottom, but that's okay, because I was actually going to end up cutting some of it anyway. So there's your die. So I'll do a couple more videos as I'm using it, because I don't know that that was the best one. I probably should have recognized that I only had a couple of minutes to do this, but I am going to post it anyway, and hopefully that'll help, and I will do a few more. Talk to you later. Bye.